World Lit at A. Maceo Smith New Tech High School, I have grown in a number of areas in my class subjects, such as English. Before taking English at New Tech, I never knew how to properly organize a paper or make a thesis statement before writing. Two different types of prompts we learned to write are expository and narrative. I'm best at writing narrative because I'm really good with writing imagery in a story. One of the things we did quite often was learning how to find figurative language, proper nouns, imagery, symbolic words, and unfamiliar words. This English class has opened my eyes to a lot of things. I never really paid much attention to syntax, climax, tone, or theme in a story until taking the class. Not only did I increase my knowledge in English, but also in geography as well. I learned that there are three types of government systems: communism, socialism, and capitalism, and what each one of them is, and where each one of them is more dominant in an area on a map. A country's level of development is basically broken down into three sections: more developed, newly industrialized, and less developed. I also know which countries are more or less developed on a world map. Before taking geography, I pretty much only knew the weather as hot and cold, but now I know the different climate zones in the world. I also didn't know much about the different types of religions out in the world, like Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Judaism, and animism, and Christianity until taking this class. I feel that my vocabulary in geography has expanded the most from all my subjects. My technology skills have also improved going to New Tech. I discovered how to create a documentary using Movie Maker, a website using Weebly, and a Prezi, which is just a more creative version of PowerPoint. I also developed editing skills into media and learned to edit my drawings and sketches on Photoshop. I learned to use Google Docs and discussion boards to collaborate with my team members and how to properly download web browsers. The school-wide learning outcomes are basically what we're all about at the school: work ethic, collaboration, content literacy, critical thinking, communication skills, and global awareness. The school-wide learning outcomes will help me now and later in the future when I go to college, because this school is basically a college for high school students, and I feel that the different projects we do and assignments is what makes our school more unique than others. I have developed a sense of organization and accountability skills. I learned to thoroughly speak when doing a presentation or speaking in front of an audience. Use email to share information with people working with me, and what to do when receiving an entry document. This school separates itself in numerous ways. I feel that it will really help me prepare for college and the real world.